Kamusta mga balibulista? Winalis ng Signal HD Spikers ang Petrogas Angels 25-19, 25-19, 25-22. Best player of the game si Jackie Aconya sa likod ng kanyang 8 points mula sa 4 attacks, 3 blocks at 1 ace. Pinataob naman ng Capital One Solar Spikers ang Chocomocho Flying Titans 13-25, 25-21, 18-25, 25-20, 15-13. Best player of the game si Marina Toshoba matapos nagtala ng 45 points mula sa 43 attacks, 1 block at 1 ace. Winalis din ng Akari Chargers ang Zeus Thunderbirds 25-18, 25-15, 25-23. Tinanghal na best player of the game si Ivy Laxina sa likod ng kanyang 13 points mula sa 11 attacks at 2 blocks. Kung umabot ka dito sa video na to, mag-like na at subscribe. Heto ang team standings as of August 1, 2024. Para sa Pool A, PLDT High Speed Hitters 3 wins 0 loss 8 points. Creamline Coal Smashers 2 wins 1 loss 7 points. Cheritigo Crossovers 2 wins 1 loss 6 points. Farm Fresh 1 win 2 losses 2 points. NX Lead Chameleons 1 win 2 losses 2 points. Galleries Tower High Risers 0 win 3 losses 2 points. Sa Pool B naman, Signal HD Spikers 4 win 0 loss 12 points. Akari Chargers 4 wins 0 loss 10 points. Capital One Solar Spikers 2 wins 2 losses 5 points. Chocomocho Flying Titans 1 win 3 losses 5 points. Petrogas Angels 1 win 3 losses 4 points. Zeus Thunderbirds 0 win 4 losses 0 point. Kung bago ka pa lamang sa channel na to, mag-like na at subscribe. Heto ang mga laro ngayong August 3, 2024 na gaganapin sa PhilSports Arena. Sa first game, maglalaban ang NX Lead Chameleons kontra sa Farm Fresh alauna ng hapon. Sa second game, magtutos ang Galleries Tower High Risers at Creamline Coal Smashers alas 3 ng hapon. At sa main game naman, maglalaban ang PLDT High Speed Hitters at Cheritigo Crossovers alas 5 ng hapon. Kung nagustuhan mo ang video na to, mag-like na at subscribe.